How to make a free website for affiliate marketing small businesses on Amazon. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a free website for affiliate marketing small businesses on Amazon. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your browser, and on the search bar, kindly search Google site and proceed by clicking the first link that come up, in which upon doing so, you will be directed in here. And as you can see on the homepage of Google Sites, it will show you the different kind of templates for graduates, professors, class, and club. But if you want to make your own sites from scratch, all you need to do is to click this blank, in which from here, it will enable you to create or customize your own site. And as you can see here, we have now the design of our header. But if you don't want this design, all you need to do is to click this delete button. While on the right side panel, you will see the tools for designing or customizing your website in here. You can add a text box if you want, an images, an embed, or even a file from your Google Drive. And from here, all you need to do is to enter your site name. So I'm gonna enter Whizz. And aside from that, on the right side panel, you can also add the design under the insert category, the content blocks, in which you will be enabled to import your media files with a format that you prefer. However, in this video, we're going to use the sample affiliate website like Amazon, AliExpress, and many more. So let's now move on to the next tab and enter the website that we want to copy the format. Let's say Amazon.com. In which from here, you will see a variety of products that you can use to make an affiliate website. However, it will be a long process if we do that. So to make it simple, I'm just going to use the other website, which is this CloudDig website. And as you can see, this CloudDig website is a cloud mining technology service or a CloudDig mining platform, in which it mines different kind of cryptocurrency and help people to earn money. In the format of this website we're going to use in making our affiliate website. And to use this specific website, all we need to do is to screenshot each part or format of the website and paste it on our Google site. Such as this one, which is for the header, all we need to do is to screenshot this part, in which it will serve as the header of our website. And after taking screenshot, just go back to Google Sites, and on the right side panel, under the Insert section, kindly click Images and import the files or the screenshot in these Google Sites, in which upon doing so, it will be directed in here. You can also resize or customize the size of this screenshot image. So just click this crop, and you can now start customizing the size of this picture. And after that, just drag the picture to make it fit in our header. And you can also customize its size by dragging it down on each corner of the picture. And after inserting the picture as the header of our website, you can now see that we have now the header from the sample affiliate website. And after that, the next thing that we need to do again is to copy or to screenshot the format of the sample website and insert a picture in here. So let's now go back to this website or screenshot the next content below the header. And as you can see, the next content is this referral system, in which it will show you the number of bonus and commission that will receive by the customer or by the user. So if you want to add this content, all we need to do is to screenshot this part, and on the Google Sites, on the right side panel, under the Insert section, kindly click the images and upload or import the media files or screenshot that we just did. And after that, the same process in which we can crop the picture by clicking this crop icon and start customizing the size of the picture. And after that, we can now start resizing or dragging it to make it bigger or wider that will fit in this website section. So just customize its size by dragging it until it fit in this section, and make sure to make it pleasing to the eye of the user, which is very important in designing our own website. And after that, all we need to do is to insert the third part of this website. So again, just screenshot the part of the sample website and go back to the Google Sites in order to import the media files by clicking on the right side panel under the Insert section and click Images and proceed by clicking Uploads. And after that, just select the media files that we just screenshot. And make sure to resize or crop the media files, since it is important in formatting or designing our own website. And after it now fit in our website section, we can now go back to this website again and copy some of the context on this website. So let's say we want to copy this context. All we need to do is to select this and copy this text. And go back to our Google Sites in which we can paste the context that we just copied in here. And to do that, just click on the right side panel under the Insert section, the text box. And on this text box, all we need to do is to paste the text. And after that, you will now see that our website contains images and context, in which if you want to customize the design of this website, we can design this with help on the right side panel option, such as under the Theme, Pages, and Insert section. Under the Themes section, you will see a variety of available themes that you can choose, such as Vision, Aristotle, Level, Impression, and many more. In which aside from that, you can also choose the color and the font style of your context. While on the Pages section, you can add different kind of icons that will serve as the section part of this website. And to do that, kindly click the plus button below. While under the Insert section, you can explore different kind of elements and design under this section, which is very helpful in designing our own website. So now the next thing that we need to do is to add the button. And to do that, just go to Google website or just search for buy button icon that we will use to affiliate in our website. In which from here, all you need to do is to select and save the images that you prefer. So let's say I'm gonna save this picture. And make sure that the picture does not contain any watermark to make our website more professional to look at. So after saving and downloading these images, the next thing that we need to do is to go back to our Google Sites and import the buy button that we just saved by clicking on the right side panel, Insert and Images. And after successfully importing the media files, we can now start relocating the media files. And after adjusting the location of buy button, we can now start hyperlinking or attaching the link of the affiliate website that we just used. So just click this icon that says Insert Link. And now we can go back to the website, and all we need to do is to copy the URL or the link. And after copying the URL or the link, we can now paste it in here and click Apply. In which if a person just click this Buy Now button, they will be directed in the website. And now that we are done of editing or customizing our website, we can now start publishing it. And from here, just proceed by clicking the Publish, in which your web address will serve as your domain. So that is just how to make a free website for affiliate marketing small businesses on Amazon. Thank you.